Good morning, welcome back to another episode of the moving series.
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test, got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest.
Y'all saw my morning routine, you know, like I woke up at 6 a.m, I cleaned my house, made some breakfast, posted a new video. All right, so today's plan is I want to get some new bedding. Like, we have a couple different stores to go to because I need to get sheets, pillows, pillowcases, all of that stuff. But time is currently 10:20. Today's gonna be a productive day, yay, yay. I need to go to the gym. What the fuck? Every single day, I've been wiping down my counters twice a day. Like, who the fuck am I? Y'all know that I'm a messy bitch. Like, I usually don't do that. But you know, the house is clean. I did the dishes this morning. I literally feel like I'm a Sims character. Like, why the fuck am I? But yeah, I don't know. I feel like I need to keep this house clean because I would feel like shit about myself if I didn't keep this house clean. I'm trying to be an organized and clean person because 19 years of my life I haven't been. So maybe the 20th year this year will be. Let us head out. Go to the gym real quick. To be honest, I don't really want to go. 10 o'clock is too late for me to go. This hoodie is from Maya Benway's clothing line, but I really love this green color. It says, "Hug me until I smell like you." I don't have any other furniture coming in except for my couch. It just takes like a lot of mental capacity to find furniture. If you want to help me pick furniture, go DM me on Instagram. Y'all on this Pham account help me so much. I'll be like, guys, should I choose this apartment or this apartment? Y'all help me pick this apartment. I was like, should I choose this couch or this couch? Y'all help me pick. Go follow this Pham account if you want to help as well. All right, let me shut up and go to the gym. Genuinely did not want to go to the gym like at all, but then I just went on TikTok for like 10 minutes and I got motivation. I saw girls with dumpies on there. I saw people's like aesthetic like day in the lives and I was like, if I want to be that I actually have to do this shit. I can't just watch it, save it to my TikTok and hope one day that it happens. Okay, we have to go. Like, we actually have to go. Like, I didn't want to. I was gonna be like, ugh, tomorrow. But then I... that's all, thanks. I got a espresso over ice. I usually have an energy drink, but yesterday I had one and it literally made me have to leave the gym early because I was sweating and shitting and throwing up. Not throwing up, but sweating and shitting, yes. So we're just gonna go with the classic espresso shot. Cheers. This one's actually not bad. Like, it's going down very smoothly. Oh, I guess I have to go to the gym now. All right, let's go. In Chinatown getting food, and if you've watched my videos before, I'm sure you already know where I'm going. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, YouTuber.
I am so excited to eat. So I got rice, grilled beef, spring rolls, cucumbers, carrots. This shit is so good, and then you add like a fish sauce on top of it. I know I already said it, but if you haven't tried Vietnamese food, you need to try it. And yes, we are at Nat Giang Ngan, best Vietnamese spot in New York. And I've tried, well, I haven't tried them all, so I don't actually know. If you have any recommendations, leave it down below. But I think I've tried probably about like 10 places now. Best place, hands down. Oh my god. Genuinely, my favorite food is Vietnamese food. But this place, oh my god. Y'all see me getting my personality back right now? That's how good the food is. Like, instantly, it's just like, She's back. Are y'all ready for this ASMR? Cheers. Today was a regular schmegular day, but all of a sudden, now that I have this, oh my god. Okay, I'm done eating.
I've been trying this new thing where I don't eat all of my food to stuff myself full and just eat until I'm full.
Hi.
All done?
Just chatting, yeah. Yeah, but just with yeah. Home, John, yeah. Yo, you gotta eat here, it's so good. I swear I'm a walking advertisement for that place. Dạ bao nhiêu tiền? Dạ không cần bệnh.
Okay.
Dạ. That is the Empire State Building. I don't know if I'm pointing to it, but that is it. Holy fuck! This wind is like pushing me. Oh my god, Brooke Linen sent me one of these and they're so nice. I think I have this one. This is a two-way mirror, so I know that there's people inside. Hi! This is what the fit looks like. Hi! Alright, I just got back from Williamsburg, Brooklyn. I went and I bought, no, get down, go, go, go. I went and I bought sheets, a duvet cover, and pillow covers. But I want to go get like more pillows and stuff like that regardless to like fill up my bed. But I'm so excited. I've never had a king size bed, first of all. Like, this is huge. This is actually massive. So I'm so excited to like make it like super fluffy and like a hotel bed, you know what I mean? What, dude? What? Oh, you need to go outside, don't you? I need to go buy juice anyways. Do you want to go outside? Oh, I want to set up this bed so bad. His head is like... Get down! There's no sheets on here. You can't be climbing up with your dirty freaking paws right now. Bleach and orange juice. What a good haul. As I was walking home, I saw Tyler Cameron, The Bachelor. He is so fine in person, but like I literally glanced at him for 2 seconds. I was like, cool, and kept walking. I like knew I was gonna run into him someday, but I didn't think it'd be that soon. Whew. Man is fine. Okay, I need to shut up. All right, I got some juice and some bleach, the essentials, but I'm gonna quickly wash all my towels and stuff like that. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. I've been using washcloths instead of paper towels. Like I haven't bought paper towels because I just bought a pack of like 50 washcloths and they're so nice. Like why did I ever use paper towels? Growing up, I always had paper towels, but why don't we just use these? And they're microfiber. I don't know. I think that they are amazing. Amazing discovery. I'll link the ones that I bought on Amazon. If you think it's common sense, you probably think I'm absolutely stupid right now. But if you didn't know, now you know. Stop buying paper towels. These are really cool. They're called Sheets Laundry Club. I got them on Amazon, but they're eco-friendly and they literally just dissolve in your laundry instead of just like buying the big jugs. And I just feel like they're way more convenient to store than like a big jug. It's like, am I good? It's like a really small difference, but bleach.
2 shots of vodka.
I went to Brooklyn in Williamsburg. I got the sheets in white, but I got the duvet cover and pillowcases in like this cream color because the theme that I'm going for my house, there's no theme. I don't want to stick to a theme. I just want to get that like appeals to my eye, if that makes sense. But I just don't want everything to be stark white. Like I want it to be more homey and earthy toned, I guess, because in my last house I had white like almost everything and I hated it. I felt like it was jail. We're not gonna make that same mistake again. I got these Luxe sateen sheets. I know y'all are gonna kill me, but I'm not gonna wash my sheets before I put them on. I searched up if you should. It says that you could if you want, but I'm gonna make it a habit to wash my sheets every like week anyways, so 1 week's not gonna kill me. But yes, I wanna wash my sheets and my pillowcases once a week. I don't know if that seems like the bare minimum to you, but that seems like doing a lot to me, but I wanna start doing it. Oh, these feel so nice though. Ooh, wow, I've never used a top sheet, but I wanna start using them because I just wanna feel like I live in a hotel. That's the vibe of my house, is I wanna feel like it's a cozy fucking hotel. No, this actually feels fucking amazing. And they come with pillowcases? No way. I ordered ordered this duvet off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. I saw that it was good on TikTok, so I bought it, and it was only $120, which is amazing for a duvet. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that like I finally invested in something like good, because usually I just order things off of Amazon. But these are like sateen luxe sheets, and like these actually feel like genuinely amazing. Like I'm gonna feel so good waking up every single morning. Like this is a luxury that nobody talks about. Oh my god, did you know that you're supposed to like tie your duvet to your duvet covers? I've never done that before, but I'm gonna do it right now. Wow. Even though there's no pillows, oh my gosh. I'm obsessed, bro. Gorgeous. I love the white and this like kind of cream color paired together. I feel like it looks beautiful. Am I weird for obsessing over my bed? Like, bitch. Okay, it is a couple days later now, but I ordered nightstands and pillows. I think these are my nightstands. I like was searching for nightstands online, and why are they all like fucking like $500? Like, furniture is so expensive, and I'm not trying to spend a fucking bag on furniture this time. Usually when I move, I buy such expensive furniture. What a waste of my money. Woo! Okay. I got these from Amazon. I think they were like $100 or something like that, maybe less than that, but very simple, natural wood vibe. I don't know if you hate it, but I love it. These are so cute and simple. All right, I feel like this does not look like it's giving whatsoever. I need to make my bed. I also got king size pillows. Hold on. These have really good reviews. I literally searched for like 30 minutes for the best pillows. I don't know why, but whenever I order something online, I always feel the need to look at the reviews for way too long. But it's how I always get good shit online. Like I'm never like, ugh, this sucks, I ordered it online. I'm always like, this was amazing, I ordered it online. Did I not order 4? I'm so idiotic. Hey, get off my sheet. Yeah. I fucking made my bed wrong. What do we think? I really like it. I mean, I think that it'll definitely be cuter when like everything's ironed out, but I really like it. I think it's like very simple. I used to have all black bedding for like 2 years. It was great because I spilt everything. I always had period stains on my sheets, but I think this is good, maturing. I just ordered 2 more king pillows so that the back ones can be more filled. The white one's in front because I think the white looks better than the cream because I have the cream pillows, so I put this in the back. But I don't know what else I should add. I feel like it's missing something. Let me know what you think I should add. But I think that the nightstands are super simplistic and cute. I don't know if you guys like them, but I really do. I wish that they came out with like a smaller one. Honestly, I might just like try to find like another wood piece and put it next to it so it's like staggered. But for now, I think that it's cute, at least have a nightstand. But this only came in one size. So if I could get like another wood stump, it doesn't have to be the same color, but just put it like beside it or something like that, or a taller one, it could be super cute. I put my hatch on here. It's like an alarm clock, but it has like a light and everything like that. I don't know, it's my favorite thing ever. Because when it wakes me up, it's not like beep, beep, beep. Oh my god, you can hear it.
Instead of thoughts from the day. Welcome to this meeting sleep with ease.
Once you tap it, it'll like have a reading light for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes is up, it'll start a meditation. And when you wake up in the morning, it like opens up nice, so like the light slowly gets brighter so that you're not like woken up, like your eyes kind of adjust. And then you can pick an alarm sound, and it can be like a chime, or it can be like birds. There's so many options. I love it. I still want to get a rug for underneath, but this bed frame was $100. You don't need no expensive bed frame. If you really want, you can just buy a headboard, but keep your bed frame super cheap because you don't really need an expensive one.
So take a quick second when you play that. Listen to the words I'm saying when you play back. 150 nerves in the hills, driving Maybach. Say back what you hate back. Remember what I mentioned about the cool feet, not the only fake, just the one you have.